So mga ka-indays, we are in. Hello palangga. So mga ka-indays, we are now flying. So we are watching movie and then we have our snacks. Crunchy corn o mango juice. What do you have, asawa? Apple juice. Apple juice, yeah. So, lucky kayo ko guys, kung wala ko'y tapad. Oh, unya, mag-igda ko diya unya. Kamerang duha ni asawa in this room. Diba? So, watching movie. So, we are having our dinner. Our dinner is beef vegetables. Yes, may asawa mga kaibigan. Beef vegetables for the juice. And I have here black tea. Bon appetit. Kain and watching film. Kaon. So our dessert. It's a brownies and ice cream. It's a pudding. Pudding daw ng mga ka-indays. Chocolate pudding.
Many hours later.
Mga ka-indays, we arrive here in Doha. Salamat mga ka-indays. So, mag-connecting flight pa me from Doha to Cebu. Mga ka-indays. Yeah, Doha is nice. So, adto na mi sa mo ang gates mga ka-indays. Kung asa ni dapita. So, more here, Scott. Ika here even siya. Wacht. So nice. sa waterfalls. Sa dingding mga ka-Indays. It's a water. So amazing. So nice. Huh? Mga ka-Indays, layo-layo mo ang gi lakon para mangita ra gid sa beer day. Kay gusto ko talaga makita yung beer dito eh. The biggest beer daw. The biggest beer, the yellow beer is now here. Kasi may time pa kami mga ka-Indays, maganda kapag anong tawag nito? Tagal-tagal yung waiting time natin. Marami tayong makikita pa. So like this, the beer. So we will see the beer mga ka-Indays in a few minutes. So Hermes, Louis Vuitton. Diyan, nandito na siya guys. Nandito. In a 1, 2, 3. Go! Yeah. In 1, 2, 3, go! Siya mga ka-Indays, kita yung pinaka malaking beer. Yellow beer is my favorite color too. Oh yay! All day, all long. Alsjeblieft, skat. O, diba? So, sa wakas, naabot rin diri day. Naabot rin sa yellow teddy bear. So, si yellow teddy bear. Now, with the, saban to siya. Diba? Si De Beer, ang the biggest one. O mga ka-Indays, dako kayo. So, nandito mga ka-Indays yung teddy bear nila, yellow teddy bear. This is 23 foot mga ka-Indays, at saka yung sculpture nito is Swedish mga ka-Indays. Ayan. Si Big Teddy Bear. Kaya pala tinatawag siya na lamp beer kasi may lamp siya doon. Name of this teddy bear is a lamp beer. Diba? And then, meron din sila itong napakagandang ito mga ka-Indays. Diba? Si lamp beer.
Many hours later.
Napunta mga ka-Indays going to Doha and Cebu. What is this? Kabalagon sa Palanga. With black tea. Ciao. Noodles. Bon appetit. So, sa wakas nakaabot na gyud sa Cebu. So we are now here in Cebu. Thank you for the safety flight. Welcome Cebu. Welcome. Oh, it needs to have a mensa. Ne. Abot aja kaya? Oh, dirim Cebu dito ug maalaga na pumig pagadian og maiya. Yes. Foreign passports. Good evening. Scott, matik even just that is Oka. Dinga. Welcome Cebu. Everything is smooth with our papers and everything. Tanan jud, thank you Lord. Christmas is here. Baka dinga sign baskat. Dri? Okay. Okay, we are here. Scott, mo dyan na dinga Scott. Welcome in Cebu. Chocolate, sir. Chocolate, sir. Kas ang gisundo mo ay gisundo. Hello, Wally, nanambok lagi kali. Hello, kuya. Wala naman kagkaning Koreano, ya? Tara, hala, maiko. Our food. Pinakbet, patati, and chicken. Asawa, fish and chips, right?
Ja.
Yeah.